Hello everyone, we have some of these Dekotora trucks in cartoon form, but they're made by Aoshima and not Chorokyu, so I thought that was interesting. And they're a smaller scale than Chorokyus, so I didn't know that, but we're going to take a look anyways because I have them. This peeking in is a Chorokyu size, so you can see it's clearly bigger, but we'll get to those comparisons later. So I got 5, I have 2 jump trucks, let's start with those. So it seems to be, this raw gray plastic and the painted parts of it. On the bottom it does say Aoshima, and then it's screwed in the front, and there's a tab in the back, that thing there holding it together. It's got a spring motor like Cherokee's, so the thing will go a little bit. No coin slot though, so no wheelies, but I'm okay with that. And then it's running stickers, actually. This is a sticker. I feel like there's probably a sticker missing from the back. It's nicely detailed rock load there. And then we have some paint apps going on. A purple cabin, this green and green, some lights up here. And the taillight area, we got some red. So not the most amount of paint apps, but, well, it really depends what these things cost when they were new. Gashapon toys generally don't cost much because they come in these little plastic capsules in like a gumball machine at the supermarket. And so they're just spitting out toys instead of gum. If anyone knows when this series first came out and what they cost, please leave a comment. I'm sure a lot of other people would want to know. Okay, this does have rubbery tires for traction, so that's alright. I feel with just a couple, paint pens and stuff like that, you can really spruce these up nicely. Maybe some silver paint for the exhausts. I don't know. We'll see what happens. This other dump truck, it seems to be the exact same molding, just different colors. Pink and blue this time around, and some different stickers here. No, none on the back there. And then, yeah, same type of base, same rubbery tires. Alright, so that's that one. This is a box truck, so I wonder if the wheels are the same. Yeah, just different colored wheels. And let's see, we have some round lights around the side here, some sort of tiger looks like. Round lights here. Okay, this has a tiger on the front there, like a Roman tiger or something. This is a round theme, it seems. A little depression here. 12 taillights. Now this does have a back sticker. And then yeah, same type of base, same type of motor, all that stuff. So, alright. Let's take a look at this one. It's got a tiger theme and now diamond trucks. I mean diamond lights here and square lights. This actually reminds me of the Hot Wheels Raijin Express, which is what got me into these Dekotoras in the first place. So this is a silver cabin, and then stickers on top here, although falling off. So again, I just don't know how old this is. This thing could be 20 years old if I had to guess, but I really don't have any clue. 5 roundish lights. Yeah, nice funky dragon taking on a tiger there. It's really funny, these graphics. Alrighty, let's see, what's the last one? Well, this is a little weird because it's just like a normal commercial truck. It says Shusedako Express, the number 9 sticker. And then it's got a round thing here for some odd reason. Some round lights, sticker, round lights, just a plain top there. And then squarish and weird shapes here. Round thing up there. Would be cool if there's a sticker in there too. So yeah, that's the plainest of them. It doesn't really... The mold itself is definitely a Dekotora, but I just don't understand why they would have these weird, lame stickers. Unless this is like a freebie for this actual company. Maybe this is a real company, and they bought a bunch of these, to give to customers or something like that. That's a possibility. Alright, so, yeah, not the most amount of details, but again, it's all relative to age and cost, which is really a pet peeve of mine. I don't know why companies don't put that stuff on the bottom of their models. I mean, there's plenty of space to put a year, right? Maybe the name of the collection. Instead, they just leave it to be a mystery, right? It's too bad. Okay, well, comparing to the Hot Wheels Dekotora here, this actually, it's odd to say this, but this Hot Wheels actually looks realistic, at least compared to those things, right? I 3D printed my own wheels here, and then added a whole bunch of paint apps and Sharpie marker and stuff like that. Blue, all these colors up here are Sharpie ultrafine points. But it's quite mammoth compared to these guys, right? It is like twice, let me put two next, yeah, it's like twice the length. Yeah, alright. So, I don't know if that fits into the same kind of display. Let's look at some Chorokyus here. Here's a Chorokyus semi-truck and a Chorokyus fire truck. So I'm not sure if that's working out either. Although you could possibly say this is one of those K-class trucks, you know, one of the small type of vehicles in Japan. Then that could actually fit into a display. But here's a Chorokyu car, an F40, and then that doesn't really work at all. You know, it's just, you're never gonna have a truck that small. Well, I don't know. It does look weird, right? Alright, so let's get this guy off. Maybe this guy off. Now, Chorokyu does have this line, does, Chibiko, which is a smaller size of a Chorokyu car. So let's put that up there. And that's a little better. And then they have this other line, which I don't know the name of. If anyone knows, please leave a comment. It just has the Chorokyu logo on the back, and then it just says Tomy 2007. Mini Q or something? That's what one internet search told me. So now this actually looks okay, I think. That police car next to that dump truck. I don't know, it would be a big dump truck. Or possibly this works. But this, I'm not feeling that so much. What do you guys think? Okay, well anyway, so those are the size comparisons. They're kind of in their own little, well, they're definitely not normal size Chorokyus, that's for sure. Now we know that. But I'm still pretty happy I got them. I didn't pay an extreme amount for them, so I'm okay. They're definitely not as good as, you know, modern Chorokyus, modern cartooned cars, but there just aren't many choices when it comes to Dekotora trucks. So I will be getting some more of the regular Chorokyu size. I do have some of those, but I just thought I'd share these with you anyways, in case you see them pop up on eBay. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Sayonara.